What's up, one beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys, and the first thing you want to do is moisturize your face and prime your face. All right, so I am using the Fenty Beauty Primer. This is one of my favorite. Then you want to move on to your brows, and the eyeliner pencil I am using is from L'Oreal, and it has a spoolie on it, and you want to ensure that you brush out your eyebrows before you start filling in, right? And when you're filling in, ensure that you start from the middle, go down to the end, or from the end and work your way up to the middle. So for the inner corner of the eyebrows, you want to use your spoolie and comb that through, and you want to comb it go all the way down so you can apply the product evenly throughout the eyebrows and give you a more natural look. So for shaping the brows and giving it this nice sharp look, I am using my concealer, and I am using one from Maybeline, and pretty much I will be using two different shades of concealer, and this is because I want a more natural look over my eyes when I'm done. You will see what I mean. So for the outside, I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I know that a lot of people have troubles when you come on to, doing your eyebrows. I would recommend, now that we're in quarantine, a lot of us are home, get your tools, sit around a mirror and practice. Practice becomes perfect. Also, another tip I would recommend, always follow the shape of your eyebrows. Everybody eyebrows comes different, and you are not gonna always get the look that somebody gets. All right, so follow your own shape, you will not go wrong. So now we're going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and you want to ensure that you apply a setting powder to prevent any creasing or cracking from happening, right? And then I'm going to go in with my Juviasplace. I think I'm going to go for like something purple today, so I'll be using the Bin 2 and this other shade Fifi. The Fifi has a little bit of sheen to it, so it will give me a little something, nothing too much, because I'm not going for any dramatic look. And it's not even like we're going anywhere. Like, sis, where are you going? I'm just going from the bedroom to the living room, on the porch, take some sun, back inside, and that's it. But do what makes us happy in this time, to keep us sane, to keep us alive, to keep us well, and yeah. So moving on to creating some wings. I am a apprentice at this, and the eyeliner pencil I am using is from Stila. I really love this pencil, guys. It is waterproof, and you want to start with a thin line, and as you draw that line, you extend the volume. I don't know if I'm making any sense. I am still not perfect at this, right? But you guys can watch instead of me here rambling around and trying to explain something that I really am not really good at. I'm still learning this, guys. I am still learning this. I'm just using the Eyeliner from the Saharan palette, and I am just creating a thin line on top of the black eyeliner, right? But if you have a white eyeliner pencil, you can definitely just use that to create this look. It'll be so much easier. So you want to ensure that you dust off your face before you apply your foundation. And the foundations I am using today is from Juviasplace in the shade Togo, and also from Fenty Beauty in the shade 450. And I really love these. Both of them perfect shade for my face, right? And I don't really use a lot because a little bit take you a far way. Especially the Juviasplace, it is definitely a full coverage foundation, so you really don't need a lot, right? So for highlight, I will be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Whatever song this is, I don't know, but it definitely had me grooving. So when you're blending in your concealer, you want to ensure that you start blending from the outside, and you want to ensure that you are dabbing the concealer into your skin. You don't wipe, but you dab, or tap it into your skin. And for contouring, I will be using the Congo shade from the Juviasplace. And I'm just making 2 thin lines, and then I will put in some little dots looking like an Arawak or somebody from the Tainos family from back in the days of slavery, or or something. And then yeah, you just want to go in now and blend out all of that on your face, right? Just want to blend to perfection. So now I am going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I will not be doing any baking because for me, after a while, baking tends to leave your face looking white and ashy, and that's not cute, sis. So no, I will just be applying that powder to my face. But also for my smile line, I always like to go in with the powder, and then I'll leave it for a few minutes, then I go back in and remove it. And then after which I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm just going to use that on my contour areas. So you want to go in with your finishing spray, and the one I used was from Smashbox. Also, I am now going to go ahead and put on my highlighter, and this I am using from Huda Beauty. And guys, don't be afraid to use that highlighter. Highlighter is not just for a little cheek. You can put it wherever on your face that you feel like you want to put it. Just don't play around with it. Use that highlighter, girl. Just use it. All right. So yeah, if you want to put it on your brow bone, go ahead, do it. Right over your top lip, go ahead, do it. Just use it. So for my lips, I use a pencil from Sane in the shade Deep Purple, and also I use a lip cream from Stud Kiss named Lolita. So the lashes I am using is from Amazon, from Velicia. They are mink lashes, and I will leave a link down below for them. They are super nice and easy to work with. The glue is from Duo Glue. It dries. When you put it on, it is blue, but then when it dries black. It is really nice. Super nice, guys. Super nice. This mascara now is from Wet n Wild. It is pretty cheap. I pay $1 for it at the dollar store, and it get the job done. Okay, so don't judge me. So thank you for watching. Remember to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Go and big up on yourself, and I will see you all in my next one.